Hello YouTube, it's me, Jamestricky16, and I'm going to do a two-part discussion on the Thomas 2008 Thomas Railway Yearbook. So let's get started. Discover the world of Thomas Railway. That's what it says. Here's a kid playing. There's Thomas, and there's Diesel, and there's Spencer in the back. Here are the new friends: Hector, Madge, Billy, Billy Whiff. And here are the limited time only engines. Well, I think these characters are new in the 2008. Peter, Sam, Sir Handle are limited time only. Oh, and just hold on. Right here where it says retired friends, just let me look for something. I'm just looking for the Sir Handle and Peter Sam. I'm just looking for it. I think it says that Sir Handle right there, and Peter Sam, it says limited resource 2008. But anyway, we'll go back here, and here's the other new characters: Sir Tom Hat's car, Fearless Freddy, and the Soda Chicken cars. And here's a push along Thomas with a kid playing with it. Here's classic friends. Here's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, and I'm happy here. Here comes it, Donald and Douglas. But I'm also kind of sad because Doug got kicked out. I'm thinking that Doug would go like right here, Donald would go right there, and Douglas would go right there. Now here comes something really exciting. The Thomas team. Here, each of Thomas's friends has an important job to do. Create your own team to get all the work done. And so here's the whole page. It is very tight together. It is very tight. Here's the other page. The Thomas team continued. Murdoch, Emily, Spencer, and Annie and Clarabelle. There's not that much on this page. Here are the light and sounds engines. And here are the road vehicles. But to let you know, in the 2007 yearbook, which I don't have yet, but I'll be getting it soon. Well, that's what I hope. Harold and Bertie got kicked out, and I know that. Oh, and also Trevor did. Here are the value packs. Here it is. So here it is. Not that very much. Here are the introductory sets and the intermediate sets. So like for the introductory sets, they have the Bridge and Crane figure 8, Sir Tom Hat, battery powered Sir Tom Hat figure 8, and the oval set. And in the intermediate sets, they have Start Your Engines race set, Pirates Cove set, and Jeremy and the Airfield set. Let's go to the next page. So here's the intermediate sets continued. It's the Boulder set. Now, one thing I noticed right here, it's colored right there, but right there it's not. You can probably see it, but maybe not. Here's the Down by the Dock set. It's pretty cool. And the At the Work set. A Day at the Work set. Here's Renee's and the roller coaster set. I have the Renee's. Just hold on a second. I have to go and get it so I can show you guys it. Just hold on 1 second, and I'll go and get it. Sorry it took so long. I just had to get it. And so here it is. Yeah, but mostly this isn't about that Renee's. This is about the yearbook. And so Renee's in the roller coaster set. The quarry, the Soda Quarry Mine Tunnel set. The Mountain Overpass set featuring James. Woo woo, that's what it says. And here are the deluxe sets. I might stop at like page 21 because I want to have a part 2 because I think my camera needs to be charged. I'm not so sure though. So here's the roundhouse set. Here's the roundhouse set. I think this is 110 pieces. Yeah, it is actually, because I've seen it in the 2009 yearbook, which I have. Here's the Sights and Sounds set. I think this is a 130 piece set. I'm not so sure though. And this is a 100 piece set. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The grain loader, the barrel loader, the grain loader, the crane, the lumber mill. And so let's move on. Here are the real wood track. I'm not really interested in. And so here it is. This is all those you can get, and I really like this one. It includes a battery-powered Thomas with snow on him, which I also have, but I don't have it right now this very second. And so yeah, I'll just do one more page because unfortunately we're running out of time. I have a soccer game at 2 and it's 12:01. Wait, it's 12:01. I'm missing a new tough puppy. So I have to go. I'll just do this. I'll probably leave off right here. I swear I'll come back right now. I'll swear I'll come back after I see the new tough puppy. Well, for right now, this is Jamestricky16 signing off.